Welcome back to MyGlamm. Today I have a very exciting news. We have a new shade in Spotlight that is Sunkissed. Sunkissed is this beautiful bronze, golden undertone highlighter, a product that gives you an instant dewy looking skin. You can use it as a strobing product, or you can use it as a highlighter or as a body shimmering product. So now Spotlight has two shades, that is Stardust and Sunkissed. Stardust is more of a champagne gold color, and then you have Sunkissed, which is a bronzer which has a veil of shimmer and it gives you this holiday glam golden glow. You can use this product on your eyes, your cheeks, your body, anywhere you'd want that perfect illuminating glow. You can build as intense you want to go with this product, which is amazing, which basically is going to lead into the illusion that you have a perfect smooth looking skin. And you can go as intense you want to go with the pigment. All you need to do is just keep adding because Spotlight is buildable. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to keep yourself updated for more such videos.